Hey guys, we are back to the home. You probably will hear the washing machine is working because I'm washing all my clothes. And today is a big day. Today is 29th because Lizzie, one of my best friends in Amsterdam, she is going back to China. Alright, I'm heading to her home right now. I called her a boat. And yeah, we will just hang out together and go to the airport together at 5 p.m. And yeah. Bye. See you. 我又换回了中文频道，对吧？我们已经决定好要点的什么了。Actually, it will be my first time in Amsterdam eating Stroopwaffles. So, let's go! Hazelnuts, blueberry, raspberry, marshmallow, no, Oreo, caramel, and the Smarties, no. Okay. Cool girl, if you don't eat in Amsterdam, girl, you are missing out. Pull and lean back. Hey guys, we are back. Today is Saturday and today we have a lot to do. First, we have to get out. Saturday means we are going to Zolder Market. Alright guys, plan changed because the market they sold out. So we are going to George, which is a restaurant in Zold, and we are getting some like late brunch, or you can call it longer, longer, which means it's your lunch and dinner.
That means all day brunch.
I'm bullshitting, sorry. Okay, we have the steaks and also asparagus. We are heading to a concert, which my landlord, she's performing today, but we are late. I don't know, like Jenny called an Uber. It's like still waiting. But the concert started at 4 p.m. Right now it's 3:55. We just finished the concert. It was great. I mean, it's improvised music, so people loves it or people hate it, which I love it. So yeah, that's it. Guys, this is a desert in Amsterdam. Ridiculous, it's so cold. Today we always change our plans because we were thinking to eat acai bowl, but the weather is like this and pretty freezing. We're wearing this coat, so we're going to ramen spot. We are in the Hype right now. We are crossing Uppercut. It's really good. It smells, oh my god.